Hello students, in previous video we have started unit 14, that is bills. And what is a bill? The slip of paper on which a shopkeeper notes down the requirements of a customer. एक स्लिप है पेपर की जिस पे शॉपकीपर कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट्स को नोट डाउन करता है एंड कैलकुलेट्स द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स परचेज्ड और कैलकुलेट करता है जितना भी टोटल कॉस्ट हुई आइटम्स जो शॉप कस्टमर ने परचेज की है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ बिल. And we have also discussed about the uses of bills. So what are the uses of bills? First is a shopkeeper can keep track of on day-to-day sales. So जो ट्रैक रख सकता है अपना जो डेली की सेल्स है. Secondly, the customer can cross check the prices of items purchased and their total cost. जो आइटम परचेज की है उनके आइटम्स के प्राइस को क्रॉस चेक कर सकता है. सेकेंडली जो टोटल कॉस्ट है वो भी वो चेक कर सकता है. एंड इन केस ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लम द कस्टमर कैन एक्सचेंज द आइटम इजीली बाय शोइंग द बिल. और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है हम कस्टमर को आइटम के केस में तो वो इजीली एक्सचेंज भी कर सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिल. And then we have learned that how to prepare a bill. So we have learned that first of all, you can see here the bill on the top, the name of the shop, its location, that means address, कहाँ पर वो shop है, its telephone number, and date of purchase. So these should be mentioned on the bill. Top में ये आता है. And then there are 5 columns. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 5 columns are there. And in first column item number, that is serial number. Second में name of the item कि क्या purchase कर रहे हैं item customer, that is written. And third one is the quantity, कितना item की कितनी quantity है, like rice 2 kg, soap 4 soaps ले रहे हैं, that is the quantity. Rate means जो पर आइटम की कॉस्ट को हम बोलते हैं रेट. सो लाइक 2 kg राइस परचेज किया, 1 kg राइस की क्या प्राइस है, दैट इज 72 रुपीज. 4 सोप्स परचेज किए, 4 में से 1 सोप की प्राइस क्या है, दैट इज 24 रुपीज 50 पैसे. दैट इज द रेट. एंड लास्ट इज अमाउंट, जो टोटल जैसे दिस इज अ रेट एंड क्वांटिटी कितनी 2 kg, तो 2 kg राइस का कितना रेट हो गया, दैट इज 144, दैट इज द अमाउंट. 4 सोप्स का कितना कॉस्ट हो गया, दैट इज 98, दैट इज अमाउंट. एंड देन दीज आर इन द 5 कॉलम्स. एंड देन द टोटल, वी कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट, टोटल अमाउंट कितना है, टोटल अमाउंट. और जो ये बिल है ये हम अब सीखेंगे कि कैसे बनाना है. And then we have started worksheet number 1 and we have discussed the 3 questions. Now today we will start with the 4th question, in which we have to prepare a bill. And here question is, Mr. Kumar bought the following items from Toy Corner, Kamla Nagar, Delhi on 13 March 2014. So we have learned that we always write the name of the shop, its address, phone number and date of purchase on the top of the bill. So all the things are already mentioned in the question, और ये question में होता है. So you can see here, Toy Corner is the name of the shop, Kamla Nagar, Delhi is the address. ये आपको क्वेश्चन में ही गिवन होता है, आपने सिर्फ क्वेश्चन से ही ये नोट करके बिल में नोट करना है. On 13 March 2014, that is the date of purchase. So these all things are already mentioned here. Then the items and their quantity and their rate, 3 things are already given in the question. Teddy bear कितना है, 1 teddy bear and its rate is 75 rupees per piece. That means this is the rate. 3 toy cars at rupees 45 rupees 50 पैसे per car, means per means 1 each car कितने की है, 45 rupees 50 पैसे, तो 3 car purchase की. So in this way everything is mentioned in the question only. अब यहाँ से हमने ये सारा चीज टैली करना है और बिल प्रिपेयर करना है. So I have already draw the lines. जैसा बिल में होना चाहिए. So what we have to write in this, ये हमने क्या है 5 कॉलम्स ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ कर लिए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस इज अ कैश मेमो and we always write the name of the shop first. So what is the name of the shop? That is a toys corner. And its address is Kamla Nagar, Delhi. So ये कमला नगर दिल्ली छोटा लिखेंगे, कमला नगर दिल्ली. Right. So we have to write the name of the shop and address here. यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे date. That is very important. आपको जो ये चीजें mentioned हैं और ये लिखने के मार्क्स मिलते हैं. Name of the shop, its address, date, telephone number, हर एक जो पॉइंट है उसका नंबर होता है, मार्क्स होते हैं. So it is already mentioned in the question. 13th of March 2014, right? So date is already given in the question and you can write telephone or mobile number. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, right? मोबाइल नंबर आप कुछ भी अपनी मर्जी से 93175286 कुछ भी एनी. So it should be of 9 digits. आप कुछ भी यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं. टेलीफोन नंबर आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, इट्स अप टू यू. अपना नंबर नहीं डालना है, कोई भी नंबर आप डाल दीजिए. नेक्स्ट हियर वी हैव 5 कॉलम्स. इनकी हेडिंग्स डालेंगे. फर्स्ट में क्या आता है हमारा सीरियल नंबर. सो ये आपको होना चाहिए लर्न कि क्या क्या आना चाहिए. देन इज योर आइटम्स जो परचेज करने हैं. देन इज क्वांटिटी. देन योर रेट and then at last is your amount, right? So ये 5 columns होते हैं हमारे and each and everything most is given in the question. हमें सिर्फ amount and total amount निकालना है. So यहाँ पर आपका आ जाता है total, right? And now start writing this because you can see here 4 items are purchased by Mr. Kumar. 1, 2, 3, 4. And first is your teddy bear. How many teddy bears? 1. So we'll write here like this. Serial number 1, teddy bear. And then its quantity. How many teddy bears are there? 1. Rate is 75 rupees. Right. Second thing is toy cars and its quantity is 3 toy cars and its rate is 45 rupees and 50 paise. Third is your building blocks and how many building blocks? 2 and its rate is 36 rupees per block. And the last item is jigsaw puzzle and only one jigsaw puzzle is purchased and its rate is 85 rupees 50 paise. Right? Now we have to find out the amount. So to find the amount, what we have to do? We have to multiply the rate and the quantity because one item ki cost is given and here the number of items purchased is given. So 75 rupees का 1 teddy bear है, so 1 ही teddy bear purchase किया है, so it is rupees 75. Right? Next is 45 rupees 50 paise is the cost of one toy car. Right? 45 rupees 50 paise is the cost of one toy car. And how many toy cars are purchased? That is 3. So 1 की cost दी है and you have to find out the cost of 3 toy cars. So how can you find out? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट। सो हमें क्या करना है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है इन दोनों को। सो इसको आप रफ में मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 5 3 15 plus 1 is 16, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 136 rupees 50 paise. And next is your building blocks, and cost of one building block is 36 rupees. So the cost of 2 is 36 multiplied by 2, that is 72 rupees. And last is your jigsaw puzzle, and the cost of one jigsaw puzzle is 85 rupees 50 paise, और one ही परचेज किया है, so डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा 85 rupees 50 paise, right? And now what we have to do is total. अब जितना भी आपका अमाउंट है इसका हम टोटल करेंगे कि कितना मनी मिस्टर कुमार ने पे किया, राइट? सो ऐड देम, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry over, and then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 1 again carry over, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, 11 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 2 carry over, 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the total amount that Mr. Kumar has given? That is 369 rupees. That is the total amount. So, and last thing is your signature. So यहाँ पर आप signature कुछ भी कर दीजिए, like anything. So in this way you can prepare a bill. Now the second last question, fifth question, that is Mrs. Kiran purchased the following items from New Style Garment Store, Karol Bagh, Delhi. So here again name of the shop is given, New Style Garment Store, Karol Bagh, Delhi is the address, and date of purchase is also given, 7 September 2014. And now what are purchased? 2 frocks at 255 rupees 50 paise, 1 salwar kameez rupees 325, 3 shirts at rupees 125 rupees 50 paise per shirt, 4 night gowns at 105 rupees 50 paise per gown. So this is the name of the items, their quantity, and their rate is given in the question. And now if Mrs. Kiran gives the shopkeeper rupees 1700, how much balance does she get back? So first of all you have to find out the total amount जो Mrs. Kiran ने पे करना था, and then Mrs. Kiran ने कितना 1700 रुपीज पे किया और कितना उनको बैलेंस वापस मिलना है, that you have to find out, right? So for this you need to prepare a bill. वैसे इसमें मेंशन नहीं है कहीं भी कि आपको बिल प्रिपेयर करना है. So only thing is you have to find out the total amount, but still I will prepare a bill for it so that आपको थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाए कि कैसे ये बिल बनाना है, उसकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी. सेकेंडली we will find out the total amount easily. So Mrs. Kiran has purchased the items from New Style Garment Store. So first of all write down cash memo. क्या लिखते हैं हम? Note down the steps. First of all write down cash memo. Then name of the shop, that is New Style. New Style Garment Store. Garment Store, and address is Karol Bagh, Delhi, and date is 7 September 2014, right? And mobile number, you can write any number like 32567984, any number, right? Then name of the items. So first is your serial number, then item, then quantity, then rate, and then amount. So हमें total amount निकालने के लिए भी क्या चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें चाहिए. So 4 items she has purchased, 3, 4. The first is your frock, and 2 frocks are purchased, and the rate of one frock is rupees 255 rupees 50 paise, right? Next thing is salwar kameez, and one salwar kameez is purchased and its cost is rupees 325 rupees. Then is your shirts. 3 shirts are purchased and the rate of one shirt is rupees 125 rupees 50 paise. Then nightgowns, and 4 nightgowns are purchased and cost of one nightgown, that is rate of one nightgown is 105 rupees 50 paise. Now find out the amounts. Cost of one frock is 255 rupees 50 paise, so cost of 2 is 511 rupees. Multiply it in your rough side, so it is 511 rupees, right? And next is your one salwar kameez and its rate is 325 rupees, so 1 से multiply करेंगे हम, direct आ जाएगा. Shirts, cost of one shirt is 125 rupees 50 paise. Now the cost of 3 shirts, that is 376 rupees 50 paise. Multiply it, इनको multiply करेंगे, 3 0 is 0, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry over, 5 3 15 plus 1 is 16, 1 again carry over, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 is 3. Again cost of one nightgown is given, you have to find out the cost of 4 nightgowns, so multiply them and it is 0 0 and 422 rupees. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the total amount. So what is the total amount? It is 50 paise, then 6 6 12 14, 1 carry over, 2 4 11 13, again 1 carry over, 6 9 12 16, 1634 rupees, right? So this is the signature then. So this is the total amount that Mrs. Kiran has to pay, and she has given rupees 1700 to shopkeeper. So Mrs. Kiran gives money to shopkeeper, right? How much? That is rupees 1700. And amount, total amount कितना था बिल का? That is rupees 1634 rupees 50 paise. So ये यहाँ पर भी हम 00 पैसे लगा लेंगे. Now we have to find out the balance that she get. So subtract it. Balance के लिए जो वापस मिलेगा उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Subtract करेंगे. subtracted, that is 65 rupees 50 paise. So how much balance she get back? So Mrs. Kiran get back rupees, so you can write the answer. Mrs. Kiran get back rupees 65 rupees 50 paise. So in this way you can prepare a bill and find out the balance. Now in next video we will discuss the brain teasers of this unit. Thank you.